Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm so excited to be exploring the beautiful CALET beach in Fuerteventura, Spain. So please join me and let me show you around. Situated just outside the port of El Castillo, CALET is a great place for a beach break. The promenade here offers spectacular views and the waterfront is stunning. I love the beach here, with its sand and crystal clear waters. It's the perfect spot to relax and watch the world go by. As I explore the beach, I find lots of things to do. From water sports to strolling along the beach, there's something for everyone. I even stumbled upon some traditional markets selling handmade crafts. If you're here with kids, there's a fun activity center just off the beach. The beach itself is clean and well maintained, so you won't have to worry about getting your feet dirty. If you don't fancy swimming, there are plenty of lounge chairs to relax in. I love the views from here, and you can even spot some incredible sunsets. Before I head back, I must say that if you're looking for an amazing beach holiday, then CALET is the place for you. So if you enjoyed this video about exploring this beautiful beach, then please like and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!